Technical indicators help identify trends and find potential opportunities. Are you wondering how to make informed buying and selling decisions in the stock market? Knowing the overall direction and sentiment of the market is key. Technical indicators can help with this. In this tutorial video, we will guide you through some of the most commonly used technical indicators on Moomoo. Where can you find them? First, choose a stock. Tap the dashboard icon below the candlestick chart to review the indicator panel. You can see main chart indicators and subchart indicators. Select what you want to view. The main chart indicator will be on the candle chart, and the subchart indicator will be shown below the chart. Tap More on the upper right corner to manage indicators, where you can see over 60 technical indicators. Search or choose the indicator you need by checking the box. Then tap Done, and the selected indicators will be added to the panel. You can also customize indicators. Let's take moving average as an example. Tap the adjustment icon. You can change the indicator's time frame and color. Long press on an indicator to delete and rearrange. Shrink the chart or switch to landscape mode to see more data. Technical indicators can help traders better understand potential trends and price changes. But it's worth noting that while technical indicators can be effective, they should not be relied upon exclusively when making trading decisions. Traders should take account of fundamental analysis and market sentiment before making any trades. Join Moomoo courses to learn more about technical indicators.